I want to teach him how to steal. So that way I can get rich. Really, might as well start teaching your club how to steal people's stuff. I'll be back. You know it. Hey guys, I was here bringing you Steal from Robots in Disguise, guys. You can see his potential already. Yeah. I would compare him to the other Decepticon underbite because I did get him, but I'm broke. But yeah, there he is. He is pretty nicely. Looking forward to the show for comparison in vehicle mode. Once I have some stuff to compare to, I say, what do I have in vehicle mode? You know, first edition Bumblebee. There you go, you can see the same size. I think here he is, Optimus. You can see they're the same height. Not good! Here's a full-year Bulkhead. Also nearly the same size. That's good for you. That is terrible. And, yeah. Transform him. It's pretty simple. Remove Wolverine claws. Standard tip still it. So anyways, take the front of the car, split it. Unfold one end like that. Rotate it in here. And open the other. Do that on both sides. So you have legs. Take the arms. Pull them out. Take the tail. Flip it up. Rotate it over. Bring it down. So, do for the arms is to pull it out and close it. Pull it out a little bit. Flip this part back. Flip the head up. Connect these here. And boom! There you have Steeljaw. Here's robot mode. You know, the figure that's impossible to stand. I mean, look at this thing. How are you supposed to get this guy to stand? Let's use his tail. You can't hold his Wolverine claws. This is a Marvel crossover when they decide to make it. Yeah, looks nice. For some little comparison, here he is with already Bumblebee. Nice. Here he is with Grimlock. So you can see Grimlock's a little taller. He should be taller. Here he is with another figure. Deluxe. What Venator, who's going to be in almost every video now. Because I love Venator. And you know you do. And finally, the last comparison I have with you, considering underbody is broken, here he is with Beast Wars Optimus Prime. Just so you can tell sense of scale. Alright, they haven't released the other Optimus yet. So yeah, not bad. And why not one more? Dinobot. Some Beast Wars. Everybody when you kid my age actually has any Beast Wars, so I won't even know what to do. What it is. Yeah, there you go. So Steeljaw, he's a nice figure, except for this thing. Problem with the tail. Wait, if you move the tail up, he can sometimes stand, but then doing this. There you go, see? It makes you fall. Dominance! Really, Wildcare can probably take you out. And he does. Oh, as a miniature superior to 85. But yeah, I would recommend you make sure to make sure you know that this is going to happen. And if you get the game, it's perfect. Although mine doesn't want to scan them for some reason. Oh, I also forgot, you're supposed to extend the arms. Like that. That's what I forgot. But yeah, he's an awesome figure. His packaging, you don't need his packaging, it's already toys. But yeah, I would recommend him. Thanks. Up next, what can I do? Why not? Dinobot. Bye.